How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can delete off all messages on Instagram at once. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. Head over and open up your Instagram, and when you go to the messages section at the top right corner, unfortunately we don't have the option of deleting option in Instagram. So if you want to really delete it, only the manual process allows it. But apart from that, we have the next method available. For that, you need to get back and turn your account into a professional account. Go to the top right corner and open up the menu bar and scroll down and go to the account types and tools. After that, switch your account to professional type. Follow the on-screen prompts and switch it up. Once it is switched, you can go to your home page and go to the messages icon again. So when you turn on your professional mode, at the top option, you'll be finding an option that allows us to select multiple messages at once. So go ahead and tap on it and select up to 2 messages, for example, this. And in the bottom, you'll be finding options. So go ahead and tap on delete and confirm the deletion. And once that is done, all of the messages on Instagram will be deleted at once. So that is how you delete all of your messages on Instagram at once. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.